One missed deadline can destroy an entire lawsuit. He had evidence, he had witnesses, he believed justice was finally within reach. But everything ended before his case truly began. He believed the facts were on his side, but the courtroom never even examined them. It wasn't the evidence, it wasn't the witnesses, it was something far more fundamental.
My lord, before evidence is called, I must raise a preliminary objection. The reason is something lawyers call the Statute of Limitation. It sets the period within which many lawsuits must be filed. Once the limitation period expires, a court may refuse to consider the merits of the claim.
But wait, that is not the end of the story. Not every claim becomes statute barred simply because time has passed. The law recognizes important exceptions, including cases involving fraud, continuing injury, legal disability, certain pension claims, and some unlawful acts by public officers.
In most cases, time begins to run from the day the legal wrong occurs. Lawyers call this the date the cause of action accrues. Different legal claims have different time limits. Contract disputes, rent claims, land matters, and enforcement of judgments may each be governed by different limitation periods.
For example, many simple contract claims generally have a limitation period of 6 years. Claims to recover land generally allow up to 12 years. For many actions against public officers, the applicable limitation period may be as short as 3 months, although important exceptions exist. The time limit depends on the nature of your claim and the law that applies.
Limitation is also a procedural defense. In many cases, it must be properly raised before the trial court in accordance with the applicable rules. This underscores why procedural rules are vital for a fair trial.
Many people say the same thing. I didn't know there was a deadline. But does the law accept that explanation? In most cases, no. The courts have consistently held that simply being unaware of the limitation period does not stop the law from applying.
Don't worry, I'll sort it out next month.
Please, just a little more time. Let's not involve lawyers yet. Many claims are lost, not because they lack merit, but because people keep waiting for promises that never materialize.
When your legal rights are affected, acting quickly can make all the difference. Waiting too long can permanently affect your ability to enforce those rights.
If you believe your legal rights have been affected, don't assume it's too early or too late. Getting timely legal advice may help you understand the limitation period that applies to your particular situation.
To read the full article on this topic and explore many more practical legal guides, visit www.amakaekelawoffice.com/blog.